Hey Toronto homeowners, thinking about selling but worried you don't have time to make your home look perfect? I'm Why Not, Tony's digital assistant. Tony is busy helping other clients, but I'm here to tell you you don't need a magazine perfect home to sell. Stick with me and I'll share staging mistakes that can cost you time and money. I'm Tony, a Toronto real estate agent who's toured hundreds of homes across the GTA from Etobicoke to Scarborough and Brampton to Markham. I know what buyers want and what sells here. Today I'll share simple staging tips that make buyers fall in love and help your home sell faster without stress. First big mistake, clutter. Sellers often say they need to keep everything in sight, but buyers can't see themselves if their eyes are on your stuff. Just last month, I staged a home in Etobicoke. After packing away half the furniture, the rooms look bigger and more inviting without any renovations. Here's what you do: pack up extra furniture, clear counters and tables, box up personal items. These things should be moved eventually, so why not start now? This simple step can shorten your time on market and get better offers faster. Next mistake, personalizing too much. Buyers want to picture themselves living in your home. If walls are covered with family photos or trophies, buyers stop imagining their lives and focus on yours. I've seen buyers get distracted by photos in a bedroom or trophies on shelves, making them hesitate. Fix it by boxing up personal keepsakes before showings. Leave a few neutral, warm decorations that invite buyers to imagine their own story here. This helps buyers focus on your home's potential instead of your past. I made a quick questionnaire to help you decide what matters most for selling your home in the GTA. Fill it out and book a call with Tony for advice personalized to your home and neighborhood. Link is below, don't miss it. Color is next. Bold colors can turn buyers away in Toronto. They worry about how much time and money it takes to repaint. Instead, use neutral colors like warm whites, soft beiges, or light grays. These colors make rooms look bigger and more inviting without distracting buyers. Neutral doesn't mean boring. Add cozy pillows, soft rugs, or tasteful decor to keep the space warm and welcoming. Think of a stylish model home that buyers want to move into, not a themed room that feels too personal. Lighting can change everything in your home. Dark rooms feel small and closed off, which buyers notice right away. Open curtains, put in bright bulbs with consistent warm light, and add lamps to corners. Even a new light fixture can update your home's vibe. A bright, well-lit home feels inviting and makes buyers comfortable. They imagine their life there much easier than in dark, shadowy spaces. This simple fix often makes a big difference in how long your home stays on the market. Want me to review your home virtually? I can tell you exactly what needs work and what's already great for sale in the GTA. Click the link, fill the form, and book your free virtual consultation today. Let's get your home ready to sell smart and stress-free. Curb appeal is crucial. Buyers judge your home before they even step inside. If your yard is messy or entryway cluttered, they worry the inside might be neglected too. A neat front yard and clean entrance set a positive tone right away. Quick fixes include trimming bushes, mowing and edging the lawn, pressure washing driveways and sidewalks, and cleaning your front door and doorknob. These small jobs add up and can boost your home's appeal instantly. If you're busy, focusing on curb appeal first is smart. Buyers walking up with a smile are more likely to feel positive about your home. This energy stays with them inside, helping your home sell faster. Remember, you don't have to stage every room perfectly. Get these three right: living room, kitchen, and primary bedroom. Buyers remember these spaces and picture their life there. Let's dive into each one. Living room, keep it open and comfortable. Don't push big furniture tight against walls or block pathways. Remove bulky pieces so buyers can picture relaxing there. Space and flow feel inviting instead of cramped. Kitchen sells homes. Clear countertops, pack away small appliances, and leave one or two inviting touches like a bowl of fresh fruit or a nice plant. If buyers say, "I can cook here," you're winning their hearts and offers. Primary bedroom should feel calm and peaceful. Use neutral bedding, minimal decor, and clear nightstands. This room should feel like a place to recharge, not a storage space. If you get this right, you're one step closer to a quick sale. One last thing many sellers miss is the feeling your home creates. You're not selling walls or square footage, you're selling a life filled with warmth, comfort, and new memories. This is why staging is about what matters, not perfection. If staging feels overwhelming, remember Tony and I are here to guide you. Click below, fill out the short questionnaire, and book a call. We'll help you focus on what truly makes your home stand out and what you can leave out. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more GTA home selling tips, and share your staging stories in the comments. Would you tackle these staging mistakes yourself or call a pro? I'd love to hear from you. I'm Tony Sousa, your GTA real estate expert. Reach out using the links below, and let's sell your home smart and stress-free. Can't wait to help you make your next move.